In this lesson, we are going to write our very first Python program inside PyCharm. By the end of this video, you will be able to create a project, add a Python file, and run your first line of code. Let's start by opening PyCharm. On the welcome screen, I will click on the file and then on the new project. I will choose a location for my project and make sure the correct Python interpreter is selected. Then I will click on create. Now our project is ready. On the left hand side, I will click on the project folder, choose new Python file and name it as hello. .py represent it is the Python file. So py is the extension. Inside this file, I will type our very first line of Python code. So I will use the print function. This tells the Python to display something on the screen. Whatever we put inside the quotation, it will show as a text. We can use double quote or we can also use the single quotes. So I will write hello world inside this double quote. Now to run it, I will click inside the editor and choose run hello. In the output console below, we can see the result that the hello world is printed. Now what I will do is I will also add one more print function, and inside it I will write welcome to Python programming. Now when I run it, the output changes. This is how we interact with the computer by giving instruction. So the first line of code of the print function will display hello world, and the second line will display welcome to Python programming. Let's talk about something very important, which are comments. So comments are notes we write in our code that Python ignores when running the program. They are useful for explaining what our code does. In Python, a single line comment starts with the hash symbol. For example, if I write hash, this is my first Python code. Here, Python skips the line starting with hash. Comments are for human and not for computers. They make your code easier to understand for you and others. Great work! You have just created your first Python project, written your first program, and learnt about comments. In the next session, we will dive deeper into variables and data types.